Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access and gathering assets. This saves time later. Open the template in the matching app, then import your logo, fonts, and music. Make sure file names match expectations. Once done, set sequence settings to the project's resolution and frame rate. This prevents scaling issues later. You should also save a project copy with a version number, so you can revert if needed. This prepares the workspace and ensures every element is ready for the next, more detailed steps. Now you customize. Swap placeholders with your clips and images, and relink any smart objects or comps. Tweak text layers, choose weights and tracking so lines don't overflow, use on-screen guides to align. Make color replacements using hex codes so everything matches brand standards. Then focus on timing. Add markers where music hits, align transitions to beats, and nudge keyframes for smoother motion. These actions make the template feel bespoke, while preserving the original rigging and animation behaviors. Finish by running a test render. Play the file to verify audio sync, animation timing, and color accuracy. If you see missing fonts or offline media, relink files or substitute compatible fonts, then re-render the test. For render failures, check output codec, disk space, and plugin compatibility. Sometimes clearing cache fixes it. Once everything passes, export the final at delivery specs and archive the project with source assets. A single troubleshooting tip. If animations glitch, purge cache and re-import the template to restore expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.